Good evening. Tonight we have got a 2018 Velar, Range Rover Velar, with a 3-liter V6 in it. Customer complaint is a check engine light. Codes are P0171 and P0173. Both banks lean, and it has a bad idle. It surges when idling. Now, very common on almost all of these, the 3 liters, even the 2 liters, are starting to see them more when they get 80, 100,000 miles, as the PCV valve right back here goes bad. So we are going to go ahead and replace it on this engine. It is very simple, and I can show you how to do it in just a couple minutes. So let's just bear with me. First, you got to pull this insulation back. Usually just a hook will do it. Just kind of get it out the way. Make sure that it doesn't get stuck in there and cause more issues later. Just get that out the way. And that should be good. And then you can take a pick, and you can see these little tabs here. So you can just go ahead and break those tabs. Just don't break the valve cover. Break them. Break them. And break it. See, it kind of pops up. And you should be able to get the rest of it off. That comes off that top piece. Then, let's see this orange piece right here. See if I can get it up without destroying it, because it's probably just going to fall apart, which it is. It has never been changed. You can see what happens. Let's see if I can show you. It starts to rip. It's a big old tear in it, and that's what leaks air, and it's unmetered air, so it throws that code. So that's all there is to it. To take it out, throw it away. You can get these kits just about anywhere. They're very inexpensive. You can save a lot of time and money by doing it yourself if you want to, or I would be happy to do it for you. You just gotta contact me. This kit comes with a new spring. Put the spring on there. And this is the only part you really need to worry about, is got to get that spring to sit inside that. It's got to sit inside that thing. Then go. I do it this way. Some people do it other ways. You get just a flathead screwdriver. Just keep it centered, hold it down. Slide that in there. And you can slide that screwdriver out. Line up your tabs. And click. And then take your screwdriver on the back, and you should hear clicks. Make sure all of them are clicked in. That is really it. That's all that's to that. Very, very easy. Something anyone can just about do. You just got to make sure you have everything lined up perfectly. And that's it.